Welcome to our PowerFX series. Today, we're talking about the less than operator, represented by the less than character. It's a simple but powerful tool that helps you compare values, check conditions, and control logic in your apps. Now, let's break it down. Imagine you have two numbers, 3 and 8. Using the less than operator, you can check if 3 is less than 8, which returns true. So let's take a look at a couple of real-world examples. In PowerApps, the less than operator is perfect for setting up conditional logic. For example, let's say you're providing free tickets for individuals under 12 years old. If users enter their age in a text input, you can check if they qualify for a child discount by writing value open parenthesis age input dot text close parenthesis less than 12. If the value entered is less than 12, the condition returns true, applying the discount automatically. Now, over in Copilot Studio, let's say you're managing variables. You've created one called stock threshold and another called current stock. To check if stock levels are running low, you'd use topic.currentstock less than topic.stock threshold. If current stock is less than stock threshold, it will return true, otherwise it will turn false. And you can act upon this accordingly. And that's the power of the less than operator. Whether you're setting conditions, automating actions, or validating input, it's an essential tool in PowerFX. If this helped and you want to help the channel grow and be a part of the community, hit those like and subscribe buttons. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below.